Students, this is CA Bharat Galani welcoming you to our continuing lecture on enforceable by law. Under this heading, there are several points which make an agreement enforceable by law, thereby making that agreement a contract. So we can also say that these all are the points which are essential requirements of a contract. And of these points, we have already covered intention to create a legal relationship, lawful consideration and lawful object. And in this video, we'll be covering capacity to contract. Capacity to contract. Now, what does this point signify? Why is this point included as an essential to contract? Look, by capacity, we mean potential or ability. Ability. So, capacity to enter into contract implies the potential to enter into contracts, the ability to enter into contract. Is a person eligible to enter into contracts? Is a person able? Does he have the ability? Does he have the potential to do a contract, to make a contract? If a person does not have the ability or the capacity to make a contract, the competence to make a contract, even if he makes a contract, that contract would be void. So it is imperative for us to understand as to who can enter into contracts and who are barred, or who are the persons who cannot enter into contracts. Do you think that there can be persons who cannot enter into contract? Because normally, as we think, I don't think anybody on this earth should not be able to make contracts, should not have the capacity or the competence to enter into contracts. But do you think it should be okay if a minor enters into contract, or a mad person enters into a contract, or a person who's insolvent, who does not have the capacity to contract liabilities because he's already insolvent, he cannot add any more liability? Can he enter into contracts? So these are some questions which we will answer under this topic. So let's get started.